Good day, everyone. How are you? It's good to see you again. This is Teacher Maricar of English.com. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the topic that we've learned from our last video in this book, English Reading Starter 5. This will help you to increase your knowledge about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer another activities related from the passage in Unit 14 entitled Capital. Are you ready now? Let's begin this first activity, which is word practice. In this part, we will write the meaning of the following words. As you still remember, we already discussed this word capital from our last video, right? So now, we will find out the meaning of the other 7 words here. First, I will give you time to find the meaning of the following words in your dictionary, and you can write it in your notebook. While you are looking for the definition, I will read those words for you. Then, after that, I will show you the meaning of those words based on its use in the passage. Okay? I will start. City, government, meat, population, size, China, and the last one, Japan. Alright, are you finished? Now, it's time for me to show you its meaning. Let's start on number 2, the word city. It is a very large urban area. An urban area where a large number of people live and work. Then, government. Political authority. It is a group of people who have the power to make and enforce laws for a country or area. Next, the word meet. Join something. To join, cross, or be adjacent to something or each other. And then, next is population. It means people in place. All of the people who inhabit an area, region, or country. Then the word size. It is how big something is. The dimensions, extent, amount, or degree of something in terms of how large or small it is. Then, China. China is a country in East Asia, the largest in the world population and the 3rd largest by area. Their languages is Modern Standard Chinese. Their currency is yuan, and their capital is Beijing. And last is Japan. It is a country in East Asia comprising 4 large islands: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, and more than 1,000 lesser adjacent islands. The language that they are using is Japanese. Their currency is yen, and their capital is Tokyo. Alright, so I hope that you got the same meaning. So now we can move on to the next part, which is reading comprehension. In this part, we will test if you understand the passage. We will find out the best answer from the following questions. Are you ready? Let's start on number 1. Who meets in the capital of a country? Citizens, judges, or government? The answer is yes, it's letter C, government. Next, number 2. What is the capital of Japan? New York City, Tokyo, or Beijing? The answer is correct. It's letter B, Tokyo. Then, number 3. Washington, D.C. is much smaller than New York in blank and size. Population, buildings, or cars? The missing word is very good. It's letter A, population. And number 4, the capital of China is not Shanghai but blank. Seoul, Hong Kong, or Beijing? What is the missing word? The answer is yes, it's letter C, Beijing. Very good. So now we can proceed to the last activity, which is describe the picture. In this part, we will unscramble the words in the box. Alright, so to find out the answer, let's first look at the picture. You can see here a map, right? This part is the Washington, D.C. You can also see here New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and so on. From this picture, what do you think is the answer in this part? The answer is alright. The capital of the USA is Washington, D.C. So from this picture, this is USA, and this part, which is Washington, D.C., is the capital of USA. Alright, I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of EnglishReadingStarter5. See you in our next video. Goodbye.